kids, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to make capital W. This is big W. W for whale. W for whale. And we will learn how to make and draw capital W. Let's see. Let's start with purple color. Slanting line, yellow color. Like pink color. Now again opposite slanting line. Blue color. Yellow color. Blue color. Light pink color. Pink color. Pink color. Yellow color. Purple color. This is big W. W for whale. W for whale. Good job, children. So you have learned how to make big W. Then keep learning. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.